Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is simply look at capacitor charging and discharging graph. Okay, now here, all I've done here is to show you that a capacitor voltage during charging. Now you can see that in a very short space of time, the capacitor charges to its maximum value in regards to voltage in about 5 seconds. Okay, but keeping that in mind, on here we're simply showing you the percentage of voltage or current charge. Now here, this shows you the discharge curve, and again the capacitor voltage during discharging through a resistor. Now remember, you need to discharge a capacitor through a resistor. You can't just put a piece of cable across it and think that you will discharge it. You'll simply do yourself an injury or get yourself electrocuted. So again, safety every time. Now that's it actually. It's simply a short one, and basically mainly for your information. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.